welcome to another channel that is called the Tmall Elf. This is nighttime now, so I have to say the quiet words. Okay, this is the radio that can talk, so that's why the robots can talk too. Here is the tips that you want to call a speech. You can also call her as the Tmall Elf. Then here's the tips that you can call. You can call this one for music, for the weather, this one for the story, I think. This is also you greet something. Oh, the message is going on. Never mind, just ignore it. And you can also say about you wanna turn on the switch. You can ask anything if you like. Let's just have a quiet look first. Thank you. But this Tmall Elf only can talk in Mandarin, so you have to speak in Mandarin. You can call her and speak in Mandarin. This yeah. So inside is nothing here. Let me open first. Yeah. Oh yes. The Tmall Genie. I don't know what this means, but you guys are the European and the Asian people here. Subscribe my YouTube channel. This doesn't mean that. Yeah, good. You need to try to download it first, so that you can communicate to her. Oh, the message is going on. Sorry. Never mind. Connect to Wi-Fi. The Bluetooth. This is the reply, and you also can ask the questions here. This is the manual. This is how the Tmall Elf looks like. And you can also ask. And they will reply you Mandarin. I mean in Chinese. These are all in simplified Chinese. And I don't know what does it means here. Let me close the menu first. Yeah. There's nothing inside the box here. And this is how it looks like. Now it's already off, so that's why it's already off. The robots can talk just now. Just now she said that she's coming. Still charging here. Can call from the app. Okay, leave it charging for a while. This is how it exactly looks like once you see it just now. You can also ask for anything, like you wanna tell the story or you wanna do music or everything. She will be asked. She will reply you in the simplified Chinese words. So that's why. Just have a quiet look. Yep. Okay, thank you for subscribing the channel, and I will continue be quiet and talk in other language, and I will be quiet first. And I won't be talking in other language too. Okay, I'll be see you, and you comment me more often, and I will be saying goodbye and subscribing the channel, and don't forget to have a big thumbs up. Goodbye.